world of digital assets and currency overcomes the latest crash, big names are making big statements. Yes, you heard it right. Hello everyone and welcome back to CoinMonks. This is Shambhavi with you again for yet another bunch of fresh updates. Starting up with the headlines. JPMorgan says that crypto surpasses real estate as preferred alternative asset class. Paraguay's second chamber of Congress approves bill regulating crypto mining and trading. Thailand exempts crypto transfers from tax until late 2023. And Portugal rejects crypto taxation proposal by two parties. Starting up first, despite the crypto market being bearish, JPMorgan believes that Bitcoin is significantly undervalued. For a long time, the price of Bitcoin has been ranging from $26,000 to $30,000. Bids are not able to lower and bulls are not higher than $31,000. Despite this, JPMorgan predicts that Bitcoin price will be hitting $38,000, that is 28% increase above the existing rate. The financial service provider is optimistic about cryptocurrency that it has supplanted real estate as its favored alternative asset. JPMorgan issued a bullish commentary on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency on Wednesday. According to the bank's expert, including Nicholas Panikir-Zoglo, the price target for Bitcoin remains around $38,000. Signaling considerable potential for digital assets from here. That's not the end. The business is likewise bullish on Bitcoin's long-term price. In the next few years, they have quoted a price of at least $150,000 while we didn't reach that level during this bull run. The next halving might spark a strong rally, pushing the price over $100,000 threshold. The strategies at JPMorgan provided the following details. In comparison to last January-February, the crypto market co-reaction this month looks like more of a surrender and we expect Bitcoin and crypto markets to rise this coming month. Next up, Paraguay's Chamber of Deputies on May 26th approved a bill regulating crypto mining and trading and received a 40:12 vote. In December last year, the Central American country Senate had already passed a similar legislation. And the bill will now return to the body with the Chamber of Deputies changes and modifications. Once the Senate approves the changes and gives the green flag, the pending law would move to the executive branch. The executive branch is yet to signal whether it will sign or veto. The passed bill approved by the Paraguayan Senate in December states that individuals or companies interested in Bitcoin mining will now have to request authorization from industrial energy consumption. Fernando Silva Ficiti, a national senator in Paraguay, commenting on problems caused by the lack of crypto regulations, tweeted, "Ande official is harmed by several mines that risk energy availability to the population. Hacienda Pai does not receive taxes that corresponds and cannot control so much activity. Separalad UIF investors and consumers operate in legislative loophole that creates uncertainty for everyone. Administration Nacional de Electricidad Ande is operator of Paraguay's national electricity grid. Hacienda Pai refers to the Ministry of Finance of the Republic of Paraguay. And Separalad UIF is the Secretariat for the Prevention of Money or Property Laundering. While justifying the necessity for the bill, he said the bill is needed to provide legal guarantees, investments and work opportunities to locate the country's access electrical energy and help those who want to dedicate themselves to mining and receive taxes for sales and profit that the sector generates. He further adds that the bill will debate in public hearing and a technical working group and has a favorable technical opinion from the Treasury, MIC, Separalad. The new legislation states that it would not allow Bitcoin miners to access the country's surplus thousands of megawatts of electricity if it were to be regulated. According to Congressman and one of the bill's authors, Carlos Regela, a $0.05 per kilowatt hour, Paraguay has one of the lowest electricity rates in the region. He commented the legislation further aims to attract international miners to Paraguay. If the bill becomes law, both individual and corporate miners will have to seek authorization request for industrial electricity consumption and then further apply for a license. And now moving on to our next coverage. The Thai government is planning to exclude the transfer of cryptocurrencies or digital tokens from value added tax until the end of 2023. According to the royal decree, the exchange of cryptocurrency or digital tokens at digital asset exchanges under these rules has been exempted from VAT, issued on the Royal Gazette website on Tuesday. In addition, VAT has been abolished from the transfer of bought digital money for public usage. The policy adopted by the government in March applies to trading platforms that are licensed with the Ministry of Finance. The ruling has now become Thai law, as it goes into force the day it is published in the official journal. The cabinet agreed in March to exempt digital asset transaction from taxation, and this privilege is now extended to digital asset transfers. Both exemptions are valid until 2023. The major goal of the tax exemption is to promote cryptocurrency trading on recognized exchanges, permitting crypto transactions to be regulated and supervised by appropriate authorities such as Securities and Exchange Commission. According to Akradit Duapanish, CEO of CryptoMind Group Holdings, the waiver may be targeted as boosting the usage of central bank digital currencies in the future, but it will have little to no impact on digital asset investment. Investors would prefer a capital gain tax exemption on cryptocurrency trading, he said, because the tax is the key element driving up the cost of investing in digital assets. And now winding up our last coverage for today. Earlier in May, Portugal was gearing up to impose taxes on crypto earnings and payments. It was even confirmed by the finance minister of the country, Fernando Medina, that the taxing process will begin soon. The government also received several proposals regarding the same. However, the government deputies, while speaking at the ongoing debate on the state budget for 2022, have already rejected several proposals from different parties. A media agency named EcoSuppo reported that rejected lot also included the proposal to impose taxes. The proposal mentioned in 2022, the government adopts the necessary initiatives to establish a tax declaratory obligation on cryptocurrency assets with a view to taxing their capital gains from a minimum threshold of 5,000 euros. As Portugal is more crypto friendly than other countries, many crypto investors started relocating to take advantage of the country's benefits. It was mentioned during the discussion that several countries already have systems. Several countries are building their models regarding this matter, and we are going to build ours. It is hard to anticipate Portugal's next step towards taxing cryptocurrency. So with this, we will round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meantime, if you have any recommendations or opinions, do let us know in the comment section below. For free crypto alerts, join our Telegram channel. For instructions, reviews and tutorial, do visit our blog which is linked right below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.